Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make this fern leaf or how to crochet this leaf. I'm using this thin sturdy garden wire and I cut it about 30 centimeter, and this kind of yarn in light 3DK, and I use a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. Then start by making a slip knot. Then chain of 40. Okay, so once you reach to the last chain, half double crochet second chain from the hook at the back of the chain. Okay, so here, and do not stitch it too tight, okay, because you will insert the wire on the middle of this half double crochet stitch. So repeat the half double crochet until to the last chain. Then make a slip stitch on the across, okay, right here, slip stitch of 10. Then next, chain of 5, 3, 4, 5. Then single crochet second chain, 1. The next 2, 3, and 4. Then slip stitch under, then slip stitch in the next 2. And then chain of 6, then single crochet of 5. Slip stitch under, then slip stitch in the next 2. Then chain of 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then single crochet of 6. Then chain 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then single crochet of 7. slip stitch under and slip stitch in the next two. So make another 5 more of this chain of 8. Okay, now we have 6 of chain of 8. Then continue chain of 7, then single crochet of 6, slip stitch under, then slip stitch in the next two, and then just continue until to the chain of 2. Okay, then slip stitch under, then slip stitch in the next two, going to the top of the stitch, okay, then double crochet on that same stitch, and then chain of 2, and then slip stitch in the next two here. So 1 and 2, and then repeat like we did on the other side, a chain of 2 and then single crochet 1, slip stitch under, and then slip stitch of 2, then repeat chain of 3 until to going to the chain of 5. Then once you reach to the last slip stitch of 10, then cut the yarn.